Have you ever wondered why some of the strongest people in the Bible, those chosen by God, still fell into temptation? Especially the temptation of lust. King David, a man after God's own heart, yet even he stumbled. One evening, a glance, a lingering look, and everything changed. David saw Bathsheba, and desire took hold of him. It started in the mind. It ended in brokenness, sin, with consequences that rippled through generations. Samson, the mighty warrior, empowered by God to deliver Israel. But even Samson wasn't defeated by armies. He was defeated by his own desires. His weakness for Delilah blinded him, literally and spiritually. Maybe you felt the same battle. You love God. You have a calling. But there's a hidden war inside. The temptation of lust whispers quietly, but its consequences can shout loudly. The Bible reminds us this is not just a physical struggle, for we wrestle not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, against powers, against the rulers of the darkness of this world. Lust is a spiritual attack designed to distract, to destroy. The enemy knows if he can trap your heart, he can hinder your purpose. But here's the truth. Even the strongest fall, but God is not finished with them, and he's not finished with you. David repented. Samson found redemption in his final moments, and you can rise stronger. Victory is possible. It doesn't come from willpower alone, but through discipline in prayer, accountability with others, renewal by God's word, and healing from hidden wounds. Your past does not define your future. Stay close to God. Stay rooted in His word. Even in weakness, His strength is made perfect. If this message encouraged you, subscribe to One Bible Moment, where every moment brings you closer to the heart of God.